Hello everyone, if you're having troubles purchasing Hytale, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to purchase Hytale correctly without any issues easily. So first off, just open up your start menu right here, view network connections, and then select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on your network connection, click properties, click Internet Protocol version 4, click properties now, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that click OK again, and now open up your web browser, go on to hytale.com, and then click on to purchase. And if you're having trouble with loading the page, you're going to click onto this padlock button, and then make sure tracking prevention is disabled for this site. So just turn it off like this, and then it will ask you to refresh the page. So you're going to refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, now you'll be able to see the buttons to buy Hytale. So just select your edition of the game that you want to buy, click purchase, log in with your account or create an account, and once you're done with that, now you should be able to purchase the game. If for some reason it still doesn't work, then just try changing your browser. So do it in either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Firefox, or you can also try to do it in Safari. Just go on to hytale.com, click purchase, select your edition, and then buy the game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.